Hi, welcome back to our Level 1 Felt Flower series. Today we'll be learning how to make the Petite Rose, one of the simplest flowers that uses the least amount of felt, but still pretty and a good filler in your wreaths in small spaces when you do need a filler. So today we're going to have a 4.5 by 4.5 piece of felt, a 4.5 inch circle template, some shears, a ruler for cutting out the felt, and then finally a hot glue gun. So we'll start by placing the template on top of the piece of felt and trimming around the circle. Once the circle has been trimmed, we're going to create a spiral pattern with our cuts as follows. So we're going to start narrow with the width of the felt and get larger as we go in. So I like to cut to the left with a small sliver in the side of the circle, cutting around, getting larger in the width so it starts skinny here and then starts getting bigger. And the width will just so slightly increase as you keep going. And as you get to the edge, you'll want to have a small circle at the end. Just keep swirling around until you have this small circle in the middle. So now that we have our felt trimmed, we're going to start rolling. You want to start with that skinny piece you originally started cutting. Put a little bit of glue and really get this wound tight onto itself until you run out of hot glue to work with. You're rolling on the inner edge of the circle instead of the outer edge. So you're gonna just keep placing your glue all the way around in small increments so that your glue doesn't dry as you're rolling. Keep rolling it up. Continue placing the glue and repeating that until you've run out of felt. So as we get to the end here, continue gluing. Depending on how well you cut your maze pattern, you may have to pull tighter or looser to get the shape you want at the end, but hopefully you'll end up with something like this. Now we basically just need to secure our bottom. And what I like to do is pull that edge, that end kind of close in, put a dab of glue at the tip or at the base of your flower and secure that small loop underneath the flower. And there you have our Petite Rose flower.